What's the first thing women notice about a man? Here's a hint. It's not your luxurious Rolex, your impressive biceps, or even your substantial bank account. It's your face. More specifically, it's your eyes and your smile. These two features serve as the neon signs of your personality, broadcasting your emotional state and character to those around you. A genuine smile has the remarkable ability to light up a room, instantly making you seem more approachable, friendly, and trustworthy. It acts as a non-verbal invitation for others to engage with you. A smile can diffuse tension, ease anxieties, and create a welcoming atmosphere, all of which are essential in social interactions. Meanwhile, your eyes are equally powerful. They can convey a wealth of emotions, communicating confidence, sincerity, and even a touch of mystery. The way you look someone in the eye can create an immediate connection, suggesting that you are present, engaged, and genuinely interested in making a meaningful interaction. So, before you start worrying about your outfit or the perfection of your pickup lines, remember that a sincere smile paired with good eye contact can work wonders in establishing rapport. The importance of grooming. But wait, there's more to consider. Women also pay close attention to your grooming habits. Clean nails, a neat haircut, and overall good hygiene are non-negotiables in the realm of attraction. These details reflect not only your personal standards, but also how you respect yourself and those around you. Good grooming sends a message that you take pride in your appearance and care about the impression you leave on others. Neglecting these basics can be a major deal breaker, no matter how charming or charismatic you may be. A well-groomed man is often perceived as someone who has their life together, which can be incredibly appealing. Taking the time to maintain your appearance signals that you value your own well-being, which in turn encourages others to value you as well. Posture, a silent communicator. Next, let's delve into the realm of posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back exudes an air of confidence and self-assuredness. This stance acts as a silent signal to others that you are comfortable in your own skin and ready to engage with the world around you. A confident posture can draw people in, making them want to know more about you. Conversely, slouching or fidgeting can project insecurity or disinterest, which can be off-putting to those you wish to connect with. Good posture not only influences how others perceive you, but also impacts how you feel about yourself. When you stand tall, you can actually feel a boost in your confidence levels. So, straighten up. Let your body language do the talking, as it speaks volumes about your inner state and can influence the dynamics of any interaction. The power of voice. Speaking of body language, let's not overlook the importance of your voice. A calm, clear voice can be incredibly attractive, often reflecting confidence and control. The way you express yourself verbally can make a significant difference in how you are received. It's crucial to remember that it's not just about what you say. The how matters just as much. Your tone, pace, and clarity can all significantly influence how you are perceived by others. A well-modulated voice can draw people in and hold their attention, while a shaky or hesitant voice can create distance. Practice speaking clearly and with a steady tone, as this can enhance your overall presence and make you more engaging in conversations. Style matters. Moving on to style, it's essential to note that you don't need to be a fashion icon to make a good impression. Dressing appropriately and neatly can create a significant impact. Clothes that fit well and resonate with your personality can enhance your overall appearance and demonstrate that you've put thought into how you present yourself. It's not about wearing high-end brands, but about wearing your confidence and embracing your unique style. A well-chosen outfit can boost your self-esteem, making you feel more prepared to tackle social situations. Consider experimenting with different styles to find what suits you best, and don't shy away from seeking advice from friends or fashion experts if needed. The impact of scent. Let's not forget about the intangible qualities that can make a lasting impression, starting with scent. A pleasant fragrance can linger in the memory of those you meet, serving as a subtle yet powerful appeal to the senses. Scent has a unique ability to evoke emotions and memories, which can create a deeper connection with others. Finding a scent that complements your personality and wearing it sparingly can be an effective strategy. Remember, in this case, less is often more, as overwhelming fragrances can be off-putting. A spritz of cologne or a dash of aftershave can enhance your overall appeal, leaving a lasting mark in the minds of those you encounter. The allure of confidence. Now, let's discuss confidence, which is undoubtedly key in attracting attention. Confidence is about being comfortable with who you are and not being afraid to express that to the world. It's an incredibly attractive quality, but it's important to strike a balance. Confidence should never veer into arrogance. A confident individual is often perceived as more capable and appealing, drawing people in rather than pushing them away. Mastering this fine line can elevate your presence and draw others toward you. One way to cultivate confidence is through self-affirmation and focusing on your strengths. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself and practice positive self-talk to reinforce your self-image. Humor, the great connector. Another trait that women often notice is humor. A good sense of humor can break the ice and foster a genuine connection. It indicates that you don't take yourself too seriously and can handle life's ups and downs with a smile. Laughter can create a bond between people, making interactions feel more relaxed and enjoyable. So, don't hesitate to share a joke or a funny story. It can create shared moments of laughter that strengthen bonds. A well-timed joke can lighten the mood and demonstrate your ability to navigate social situations with ease, making you more attractive in the eyes of others. Kindness and respect. Furthermore, kindness and respect rank high on the list of attractive qualities. How you treat others, from the waiter at a restaurant to your friends and family, speaks volumes about your character. Simple acts of kindness and displays of respect can leave a lasting impression, setting you apart from the crowd and showcasing your true nature. Being courteous and considerate not only enhances your image, but also fosters positive relationships. People are naturally drawn to those who treat others well, as it reflects a sense of integrity and moral character. Ambition and passion. Lastly, let's touch on ambition and passion. Women often find these qualities appealing. Having clear goals and working diligently towards them showcases that you are driven and possess a sense of purpose. It's not about achieving wealth or fame. It's about having a passion for something you care about and the determination to pursue it relentlessly. Passionate individuals often inspire those around them and create an aura of excitement and energy. Share your aspirations and interests openly, as this can create engaging conversations and allow others to see the depth of your character. Finally, the takeaway. So, what's the ultimate takeaway? First impressions matter, and women notice a combination of physical and intangible qualities. From your smile and grooming habits to your confidence and kindness, every detail counts. By focusing on these aspects, you can put your best foot forward and allow your true self to shine, creating meaningful connections and lasting impressions. Remember, it's about presenting the best version of yourself while remaining authentic. Embrace these insights, cultivate the traits that resonate with you, and watch as your interactions flourish. Ultimately, your genuine self is what will leave the most significant impact on those around you. So, take a holistic approach to your presentation and interactions and enjoy the rewarding experiences that come from making a great impression.